Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Ai.Society token. Ticker symbol is AIS. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing soon on a very big central exchange called Gate. You can find it at gate.io. You can also download Gate from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Right now there's an airdrop event going on between November 6th and November 7th. There is an initial free offering. You can check out the subscription information, the startup guide basically, on Gate's Twitter at gate.io_startup. And you'll see all the information on there about how to get this token on Gate. And this token is an Ethereum token, so if you were looking to get this token now, you can get it by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Ethereum, going into the dApps, finding Uniswap, and then trading your Ethereum for the Ai.Society token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, Ai.Society.space. Now, they do have an Etherscan that says so far they have 551 holders, 18 decimal places on this token, and a max total supply of 3 billion AIS tokens. They do have a Twitter that I'm going to put up in the corner of the screen over there. They're doing very well on Twitter, 43,300 Twitter followers. So they also have a white paper that you can find on their webpage that will take you over to a Gitbook. It says Ai.Society is an artificial intelligence platform that connects you with AI NPCs who can help you gain valuable insights, advice, and meaningful collaboration in the metaverse. Ai.Society is an innovative AI platform that combines the metaverse, AI NPCs, and user-operated nodes. It offers a customized digital experience where AI NPCs assist users in various services. Users can create their virtual spaces and decentralized nodes powered AI engine. It operates under a DAO model, with participants actively influencing the direction of development. Ai.Society envisions a future where AI and the metaverse interplay to form a symbiotic relationship that drives tech innovation and development, unlocking infinite entertainment and personal growth possibilities. So in the Ai.Society metaverse, users can explore a virtual world populated by AI-driven NPCs, non-player characters, that act as intelligent NPCs. These AI NPCs can support users with various services such as healthcare, legal advice, education, and more. By leveraging advanced natural language processing and machine learning technologies, these AI NPCs provide personalized suggestions and information, helping users navigate and thrive within the metaverse. One of the core features of Ai.Society is the capability for users to create their own virtual spaces within the metaverse. Users can acquire virtual land and properties, allowing them to design and customize their unique environments. These personalized spaces serve as a medium for self-expression and creativity, offering endless possibilities for users to shape their digital identities and immerse themselves in a world that reflects their individual tastes and preferences. To sustain the infrastructure and operations of the Ai.Society metaverse, user-operated nodes play a vital role. These nodes, operated by individuals within the community, contribute to fuel AI engine that drives the chatbot functionalities. This decentralized approach efficiently distributes the computational resources, resulting in reduced energy consumption and collective efforts in shaping and training AI models. Ai.Society operates under a decentralized autonomous organization, a DAO model, where all participants, including node operators and general users, are known as society members. Society members actively participate in the metaverse development, decision-making, and governance, fostering a collaborative and inclusive environment where everyone has a stake. Ai.Society aims to enhance the capabilities of its AI NPCs, offering features such as music composition, artwork generation, and other creative endeavors. It envisions a future where AI-driven innovations seamlessly integrate within the metaverse, unlocking limitless possibilities for entertainment, expression, and personal growth. Ai.Society merges the potential of the metaverse, AI NPCs, and user-operated nodes to create a dynamic and immersive digital ecosystem with its focus on personalized experiences, decentralized governance, and the convergence of AI and metaverse. Ai.Society paves the way for a new era of interactive and engaging virtual communities. So they do have a mission statement on here. Just quickly, though, they want to foster a collaborative environment where AI and NPCs and humans interact and contribute to the development of the metaverse society, provide AI consultation and education to humans in the metaverse, enable users to acquire personalized virtual homes within the metaverse, and customize them as well. And then they have the AI NPCs residents within their virtual homes, as personalized AI NPC assistants. And then they have the AIS token, facilitating transactions on the land, homes, props, and hiring of the NPCs. Leveraging the AIS nodes to support the AI engine underlying the AI NPC, enabling language learning models and trading. Reward node operators, computing power, providing computing power in different allocation rates for mobile nodes and PC nodes. Creating the society members, the DAO, facilitate the expansion of chatbot capabilities, music creation, artwork generation, scalable functionalities, and expand the metaverse platforms and dApps. Then they have a roadmap talking about in what steps they're going to do this in. And so for now, you can get this token off of Uniswap and then coming soon Gate, and I'm sure there'll be more central exchange listings in the future. I would follow their Twitter here. So they're talking about it in their newest tweet here. Their pinned tweet actually right now is talking about their Gate listing, so go check that out. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.